Alright guys, conventionally I look at sneakers, but I also look at other hyped stuff on occasion. So here's a pretty hyped item right here, the Super Nintendo Entertainment System Classic Edition with Star Fox, Super Mario World, and all these interesting games. Now I'm going to unbox this thing for you. Maybe I'll do a review on it. I'm sure there's plenty of these on the internet already, but let's be honest with one another. I haven't made one yet, so I might as well make it. And here it is, the Super Nintendo. You pull this drawer out of the box right here, and you get the instruction manual. By the way, I just want to point out that this video is shot in 4K on a Canon 5D Mark IV. And if you appreciate the quality, maybe click the subscribe button to see some similar videos like this in the future. I don't know, man. It seems like a good idea. So it looks to me like you got two controllers here, some cables, a power plug, and the Super Nintendo system itself right here. Now if I pull out the system itself, it comes out like just like that. It's sitting in there just like this. And there's a bunch of cables here. This is controller 1, controller 2, a USB to charge the controllers, I'm assuming. Interesting. An HDMI cable, because in this case the Super Nintendo is high definition. And a power cable. Actually, I think this cable right here is to charge the Super Nintendo itself. So now let's pull this thing out of the box. This is the Super Nintendo. It looks like a little toy, to be honest. We've got the power button and the reset button and the eject button. I'm not sure the eject button does anything because you're not really putting anything in the system. Got an HDMI and a power cable right here. Very nice little thing. Feels like a toy if you ask me. I'm going to put that right back in the box where it belongs. I don't plan on selling this. I do plan on using it. I'm not sure how much it's worth, to be honest. Now, the last thing left is to unbox one controller so you guys see how it looks. Pretty classic Super Nintendo controller right here. B, A, X, Y, start, select, keypad, left and right buttons. Pretty awesome thing, if you ask me. All in all, it's a pretty cool pickup, I must admit. Pretty glad to get it. So if you like the video and you appreciate 4K content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.